Hello friends, good morning. This is Kiran sir's voice. We're discussing the second lesson number second, the silver lining. Everyone got the meanings of the silver lining. And now in last two periods we discussed the 3-4 paragraphs and we are discussing about the Mr. Bhandari and Mrs. Bhandari with the Nehal sir. Okay, Chaman Nehal. So last period we discussed till Chaman Nehal trying to talk about that girl, but the girl was trying to avoid me. The Chaman Nehal said that the girl was trying to avoid me. वो उनसे बात नहीं करना चाहती थी. Now see the further. I could not help smiling. I saw that she was staring at me. I said, "What's your name?" and beckoned to her to come to me. So, according to that, this girl was not talking to the Chaman Nehal till the Chaman Nehal asking her name, "What is your name?" But he could not talk with the Chaman Nehal. This is the circumstance here. This is the Mr. Bhandari and Mrs. Bhandari. This is Chaman Nehal and this is the daughter of the Bhandari. Okay, so that's why Chaman Nehal want to talk, but this girl city having there means this is the wooden table and behind that it look like as a Chinese girl. Okay, Chaman Nehal want to talk that girl, but the girl was not giving the response. He avoiding to the Chaman Nehal. Now see, the girl became immediately self-conscious, shook her head, and stood where she was. I called once more, "Hello, come here, dear." So Chaman Nehal want to talk that girl, but she avoiding to the Chaman Nehal. So the girl became immediately self-conscious, shook her head. Only उसने अपना जब नाम पूछा, "What is your name?" he shook her head. उसने अपना सिर्फ सिर हिलाया and stood where she was. और जहाँ पर थी वो खड़ी हो गई. And actually Chaman Nehal called again, "Hello, come here, dear." उसने कहा कि हेलो इधर आ जाओ. Because if there is a small child, everyone want to love. Because everyone want to love the small kids or child, giving the chocolates or kiss also. She blushed and again shook her head. She blushed means she shamed. उसको शर्म आ गई, शर्माई and again shook her head. उसने अपना सर और हिलाया. After a second she ran out. I thought I saw tear in her eyes. Actually, Chaman Nehal want to talk with girl, but the girl only shook her head. And actually, last time, after a second, she ran out. वो बाहर दौड़ते चली गई. And actually, the Chaman Nehal thought I saw tear in her eyes. उसको रोते हुए Chaman Nehal ने उसको देखा. I suddenly become aware of the awkward pause in the room. I suddenly become aware of an awkward pause in the room. Awkward means inconvenience. This is called causing inconvenience. And turning to look at the Bhandaris, I discovered that both of them were frowning, a painful look on their faces. So Chaman Nehal want to talk with girl, but he ran out and suddenly he came toward the Mr. and Mrs. Bhandari's. So that's why I discovered that both of them were frowning, a painful look on their faces. When the Chaman Nehal said on the face of Bhandari's, his face become a very painful. Frowning, this is the facial expression of dislike. उनको नाराजी पसंद आई, उनके चेहरे पर नाराजी थी. मिस्टर भंडारी स्क्वीज द आर्म्स ऑफ हिज वाइफ. स्कीम्स का ने दबाना. मिस्टर भंडारी ने अपने वाइफ का हाथ दबाया. एंड सेड अपोलॉजिकली, "आई एम सॉरी मिस्टर डांडा." वो क्या बोले? हमें माफ़ करो मिस्टर डांडा. You see, our daughter cannot hear anything, not speak. That is why she did not come to you. Did not come to you. Actually, Mr. and Mrs. Bhandari talked with the Chaman Nehal regarding that kids, that child, that girl, and he actually said that I am sorry, Mr. Danda. मैं आपका मैं आपको सॉरी बोलता हूँ मिस्टर डांडा, बट सी हियर देयर इज़ अ वन प्रॉब्लम, आवर डॉटर कैन नॉट हियर एनीथिंग. मेरी बच्ची कुछ भी सुनती नहीं है, कुछ भी उसको सुनाई नहीं देता है. नॉट स्पीक, ना वो बोल सकती है और ना वो सुन सकती है. दैट इज़ वाई शी डिड नॉट केम टू यू. इसका कारण यही है कि वो तुम्हारे पास नहीं है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द कंडीशन in front of the any person standing their girl in a nice smiling, and any person want to give the chocolates and want to talk with her, but the girl is become a deaf and unable to speak, and this is the shockable news everyone. So that's why Danda also, Mr. Danda also feel like that. I gasped and muttering something about being sorry. I became confused and did not know what more to say. Chaman Nail said that I gasped the muttering something about being sorry. I became confused and did not know what about to say. अब उसको क्या बोलना चाहिए वो confused हो गए, वो बोल नहीं पा रहे थे. And actually Mr. Bhandari also saying the sorry, for that the Chaman Nehal become a little bit confused. For I was feeling ashamed at my forwardness with a child who was obviously not in a position to respect to my approaches of friendship. This is the feeling of the Chaman Nehal कि he want to sorry himself, because this is the ashame, this is the guiltiness for the Chaman Nehal. He want to talk to that girl and approach to the friendship, but the girl was not giving the any response, because Mr. Bhandari and Mrs. Bhandari give the information regarding that girl. This is the depth and unable to speak. So that's why this is the very feeling guilty Chaman Nehal. Okay. See again. I gasped and muttering something about being sorry. I became confused and did not know what more to say, for I was feeling ashamed at my forwardness with a child who was obviously not in a position to respond to my approaches of friendship. I vaguely felt, vaguely means mistly. This is the one moment, shan in a second, we can say that. I vaguely felt I had wronged her and her parents. So Chaman Nehal feel badly. Chaman Nehal feel badly here, because when he approaches for the friendship to that girl, the Bhandari give the information regarding that girl, and the Chaman Nehal want to friendship with that girl. So that's why this is the very guiltiness for the Chaman Nehal, and I vaguely felt I had wronged her and her parents. मैंने उनके साथ गलत किया, उस लड़की के साथ गलत किया और पेरेंट्स के साथ गलत किया. इसकी वजह से उसको एशेम होगा, शर्म आने लगी, उसको गिल्टी हो गई. सो रिगार्डिंग दैट. ओके, हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी स्टॉप हियर. वी विल सी अ नेक्स्ट story in a next period. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.